Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add music on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After that, just open any document. After open that document, just choose or select any slide and then click on Insert tab. After that, at the top right corner you can find media option, and on the media option you can find audio. Just click on Insert audio option. Then you can find two options: audio on my PC, record audio. Just select audio on my PC and then open your specific folder to insert or find music. If I open music folder, then choose any music. If I select it and then click on insert, and that's it. You can see the music has been added successfully, and you can change your music icon position anywhere. Now to play your music, just select the icon and then click on this play button, and that's it. You can see the music is playing now. Also, if you want to increase or decrease your music volume, just click on volume icon and then set any level, and it's done. And that is how you can add music on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.